My goodness.
So this morning I am at a customer's place here, and he's about to take me to where the job site is. We're doing a little bit of work. We got to be doing some excavator work. He's got an excavator that's actually messed up. So I'm going to follow him to his job. I'm going to turn you around, let you see. So that's the excavator we're going to be working on. But we've got the equipment for the excavator is there at his place. So this guy right here is a really good friend of mine. He's in his 70s and he's still working really hard. He can outwork a lot of guys my age. I met him when I first started building this new place of ours. He came out and did the shop pad, and we've been friends ever since. I've gone and done some work with him, helped him out, and we just like to go back and forth and help each other. He'll come out and do some work for me, and I'll trade and do some welding work for him. If you know what you're looking at, you can tell just how much wear is in these pins.
Whoa!
Might let that cool off a little bit.
The way he knew how to do this was the first way we did it, and that is to take the entire track off and then use an impact to get all your bolts out. What I did on the second one was to cut all of the tracks off using a torch, and then after that, then we could go through and knock them off with a hammer and easily get that entire chain off. That's one of the things that I really like about him, is although he teaches me so much, he's not afraid to learn new things from a young guy. We was able to get this done in 3 hours, and it took him a day and a half to get it done the other way.